Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the step-by-step process of exporting video messages from private channels on the Telegram app for PC using the new update. If you've been wondering how to safely and easily save your videos, stay tuned because I'll guide you through everything you need to do. First, open the Telegram application on your computer. Once it's loaded, move your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From there, head down to Settings. Inside Settings, you'll notice multiple options, but the one we need is Advanced. Click on it to access Telegram's more detailed features. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Export Telegram Data. This is the tool you'll be using to export your media. Once you've clicked on it, a new window will appear with several checkboxes. Since the goal here is to export video messages specifically from private channels, make sure you check only the option for private channels. This way, Telegram knows exactly where to pull the information from without including unnecessary data. Next, continue scrolling down until you find the section for video messages. Place a check mark there as well. You don't have to worry about other file types unless you want them to, but in this case we're focusing only on video messages. Once everything you need is selected, go ahead and click on Export. Telegram will now begin the process of collecting your data. Depending on how much media you have stored, this might take a little while, so be patient. When the export is finished, the app will give you the option to view it immediately. Simply click on Show My Data, and you'll be able to browse the folder where your exported video messages are neatly organized and ready to use. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now export video messages from private channels on Telegram using your PC. This updated method makes the process straightforward and secure, so you can always keep a backup of your most important content. If this guide helped you, make sure to save it for future reference, and enjoy managing your Telegram data with ease.